people back out bowling today. It's gone a bit later today because it's supposed to be pretty rough in the morning, and now 9:34. I'm going to stay until like 7 o'clock as long as we can. I'm going to head up and start. It's going to be a long day. We're looking for the normal snapperartsies during summer. Gummies. Hopefully good chance of gummy today. But see you out front. Just got into that spot now. Took a little while, it's now 10:30. Hopefully we can get to a good start and draw that. And let's get into it. Alright. Yeah, it's decent. Got another one? Caught a reasonable gummy on this beaker rod. Size. I just caught Sergeant Baker fishing up here. There's a gummy. We're doing alright there. shark on. Must be a big one. Swap the reel off, the two gaps out, so whatever it is, it's a massive shark. See it's a Bob 25. Did you? Looks like a ray. Looks like really black.
Amanda. You get yourself that or what?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh well, here we were hoping we were going to get a big shark. Come out there, Mr. Elmo.
Yeah.
But it wasn't a shark, right?
Heading back now. Had a bit of a trawl for around an hour. It's now 5:31, so I'm gonna head back in. We find a school of salmon like we did in the last video. We'll have a stop and have a cast. But if we don't run into some, then I'll see you go back to the pier. Saw someone filleting a tuna, so someone got a tuna. We didn't go all out for them anyway, so YOLO here was a bit tired, so we had to go in. Yeah, we had but we had a pretty good day, and and on Tuesday we'll be heading out to what's the name of it? Harmbit, and yeah, I'll see you then.